Hey y'all, so this is Natalie from Serpstat. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we are still going to be discussing about Serpstat. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to ask you all if you're looking for a tool that will allow or that will get you white label audits for your website. Because if you are, then you're exactly in the right place. We have one here in Serpstat, and it is a lead generation tool that will get you white label audits for your website. So if you're interested, then head on over to our website right now, which is serpstat.com, and then just fill out this short form right here. And also you can get a free guide showing you how Serpstat is generating agencies additional thousands of dollars per month via autopilot. So if you want to also get that one, just leave your first name and your email, and then just click on this find out how button. So I hope you do visit our website, because you'd be able to get such an amazing tool, which will be very beneficial for your business. So having said those, let's go and move on to our main agenda for today, which is to discuss still another part of, or another section of our domain analysis tool here in Serpstat. And today we'll be discussing about the rest of these under PPC research. So with competitors, it's pretty much going to be the same as I just wonder why it's not showing up any results. So let me just check right here. Let's change it to serpstat.com. So it's still not showing up anything. Domain with subdomains. Let's try using root domains and search to see. So there's still nothing, but it's pretty much gonna be the same as for SEO research. It's gonna look like this as well. So I'm not sure why it's not displaying anything when it should be. We should have results like this, but it's gonna pretty much look the same, just with different results, of course, because this will be for PPC research. Maybe it's because maybe it still needs a little more modifications, but yeah, that's how the competitors tab would look like in the PPC research under domain analysis feature. So domain versus domain, pretty much the same as the one for SEO research as well. So you can enter up to 2 competitor domains that you want to analyze, and then just hit search, and this will give you other results that you want as well. For ads examples, so again, there are nothing showing up. So let's see as we go. Maybe we'll find out more about this results, or the lack of, rather, when we discuss more of the features here in Serpstat. So I assume for ads landing page, there are no results as well. So, but those are what are under PPC research here in domain analysis. So if you want to sample it for yourself, maybe have a little look, or just overall checking of the tools, then you can go ahead and over to serpstat.com and then sign up for an account and subscribe to them, so that you can access all of these tools on the side. But yeah, basically that is what you can expect under domain analysis. So that now we're done with that, we can move on to keyword research, and that is what I will be discussing on the next videos to come. But I hope you guys tune in to all of those videos, because there will still be a lot to come, basing on just how many tools Serpstat has. So I hope you guys still found this helpful despite of the lack of results, but that I just wanted to show you what the interface would look like and what you can expect from these features. So that's it for me today, guys. Catch you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.